Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at which stock is a better buy out of PayPal, Oracle and Uber. Right now I have PayPal on my screen. Here I have Oracle and then Uber. So what is the price action telling us across these three stocks? Which is a better buy if from here we want to take some swing, or if they are giving us those confirmation of buying, and what all in all we are watching as for our confidence level, how much strength is possible in these stocks, and are they all three a buy or are they going to sell off? So let's take a look at all of that through the lens of technicals in this video. These three stocks, if you're a member already or any of my membership, you are not new to these stocks. I have done these in the past with you guys on under the membership. So today, take it as a follow-up if you're a member. If you're not a member, well, you have another new thing today to look at across these three stocks with me. All right, so with that, let's jump right into it. Not sure if I told you, but none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion here. Nothing more than that. Please do your own thing. All right, so now technicals. As for, we'll start off with PayPal. All right. Now PayPal, like there are already a couple of things marked on my chart because I have been talking about this with my members that this is a bullish play, and as we have got above this blue box and then thereafter broke above another blue box, it's just a continuation to the uptrend, and PayPal is still just a bullish play and it's in a very proper uptrend as well. Yes, we did have some sell-offs and negation and red structure here in the pullback. I'll get to that point. I can show you quickly on my tools as well. We were in the weakness here, all right? But we have a funnel confirmation again of the breakout, right? So not just that, PayPal did a very nice bull flag here, all right? Right over here. So this is a very nice bull flag because it was already in an uptrend, and that's why I provided those blue boxes to the members. Well, we have been in an uptrend and that's more resulted in a bull flag, and then finally we are out and above it, continuing higher. So PayPal is in a full really nice uptrend and it has a potential to continue higher. So is this a buy? Yes, it's a bullish play. All right, that's what I will say. And I do think we will hold through it. Technically, structure is going to remain bullish for the upside as long as we don't lose $88 area, this very area. So I'll get to the point, which is a better buy out of three: Uber, Oracle, and PayPal. But right now, individually, yes, PayPal is bullish structure. How high can it continue to go? Well, it has a lot of room, actually. So this thing at one point high was maybe split adjusted as well. I don't know, but it was at $320. So yeah, and let's actually do something here on my tools. And let's bring some more levels into picture up high on the top. I'm just going to move it for now this far, and then I'm going to adjust something. Let's see if I need to though. Let me check something here. And okay, I can adjust something here real quick. Yeah, so these are the, some of the levels high above. Like if first one is 94 and 48 cents, the after one is the 102 and 97 cents, and then 113. Anyways, these are the levels where I expect price action to react, so keep taking partial profits as if you are playing this play, right? But this is full on bullish and this is in a really beautiful structure. We'll get to other points, which is a better buy, in just a second. Or well, by the end of this video. I mean, it's not going to be in a second. So that's PayPal. Let's get to Oracle. So Oracle, after selling off, is rebounding right now, but it's still in the negative structure, and I'm on the daily interval, still in the negative structure. It's a good rebound though. So is this bullish now? So it's a rebound coming at a very nice area of 200 days moving average. Okay, so it has a potential. Let's start over there first. It has a really good potential, but is it a good potential enough that we should be buying this thing here? Well, for that, let's get to the hourly interval. Let's get to the 4 hours interval first. And it's been doing a really good rebound, and structure on the 4 hours interval will come up as in this rebound. Let's see what it is. Where we are bullish, and that's pretty much what I expected in this rebound. Technically, yes, it can be also traded as a eventually. I'm more from the side of talking as a long-term swing buy play, right? I definitely don't want to short Oracle here because we are rebounding close from 200 days moving average. Short time was over here, right? Now, and when the structure on my tools turned red. Yes, it's still technically red, but this is where it's rebounding, so you should be sizing out already while you have taken the profits in the extensions on the short play if you took that. Now, what I really would like to see, let's say, if a pullback comes, I want to see a pivot over here on this one. So, or it can just break out above, turn full on bullish here as well. That's fine. It's okay, right? On the active mode, though, we are already bullish, right? If because it's a strong rebound, it has started it. So let's do the active mode on my tools and let's turn it on. So we are already, you can see that we are already rebounding. So on the active mode, we are already becoming bullish here on the daily interval. Now, yes, if the pullback doesn't come, that's fine. Active mode has already given us the confirmation. So which means as if it continues higher, it's technically in an uptrend. The reason I like to see a pivot at these important areas is because it gives very strong extra confirmation that buyers are standing the test of times. We have a higher low, bulls are reloading, and then a breakout above a significant level confirms continuation, which I really like to see. But anyways, it's still strong enough that we have a potential for an uptrend. So I'll give it, yes, it has a good potential for an uptrend continuation. It's if it does a pullback and we can, let's say, because it's not in a proper uptrend, it's still rebounding though, right? So let's say if we start to sell off, which is very much if the next breakout will happen, it will happen above 200 hours moving average. So it's a deciding point for sure. But let's say if we start to sell off and do a pullback, as long as let's say we can hold a pivot at this area, 157, to 157, that's also a good place to buy when the trend confirms on my tools, and then it's just a run to the upside again. So yeah, so I would say it's like it's trying to turn bullish, but not fully there enough for with an extra confirmation. So I'll give it like 50-50 for the bullish play, right? Let's get to Uber, and then I'll summarize other things as well that I'm putting weight on. So for this one, I want to do passive. You can do anything based on your trading style, but I'm using passive mode so that I can explain the direction first, right? So Uber on the passive mode, again, if you remember, this is not a news to you. You already knew this play that I gave you the breakout of this blue box, or well, the time I gave you the play was like this pullback was happening, and I mentioned that above the blue box is just a pullback and we just got bought back up there. So technically still in the bullish structure. The only thing I would say with this thing is that and with this one actually, yeah, that's fine. So we have a 200 days moving average coming over here. Okay, and one more thing, because with this one I want to keep it high. All right, so we have a 200 days moving average coming here. So technically, yes, it's in an uptrend on the daily, on the 4 hours and hourly interval as well. On hourly interval, we might have some weakness actually though. So definitely slowing down, but if we can get above 67 and 78 cents without breaking further below, we are fine on hourly interval. Otherwise, technically, hourly interval below 67 and 78 cents is a little bit weaker. So we can still continue a little bit lower into the pullbacks. The point remains though, let's go to the 4 hours interval and let me actually get rid of that. So on the 4 hours though, I would say as long as Uber can still hold above like 66 and 70 cents is still fine. And sort of this trend line can also be used in reference. So the thing is that yes, it's still on the lower time frame, rebounding intraday, continuing its uptrend. The long-term horizon though, it's not above yet 200 days moving average. So, but anyways, as long as structure holds on the lower time frame, that trend line that I gave you just right now, we are still fine. So, and once we break out above 200 days moving average, we are just fine. At this point though, some problems would come if more weakness has to come. That will be this trend line with this level like 66 and 71 cents. This is on the daily interval as well, significant level. If we lose this as well, then I do see a break of this trend, and then we might need to see, or we might have to wait for trend to again turn around. So that's why I say keep taking partial profits in the extensions, and when the pullback holds, and I have explained in many videos of mine on my public channel how to see when the pullback is completed and confirmed itself. Okay, I have explained it numerous times, especially on the Nvidia videos. Check those videos out if you haven't done so, that if you haven't checked it out. Okay, so now the point comes, which one I think is a better buy if I want to rate them. So as I said, Oracle is 50-50, right? And Uber, I'll give it, well, so okay, let's start off with PayPal. PayPal definitely is a full-on bullish play, all right? So it definitely is in a much better structure and the better price action for the buying side right now in the price action. Nothing is guaranteed. You have to have a stop loss. Right now, the price action, though, is showing me PayPal is like 80 to 90% full on bullish, even 90 to 90% plus, I would say. It's in a very bullish, strong structure. So I will give it the first spot, all right, for the bullish play. With Oracle, I would give it as still in a rebound, and I'll give it 50-50%. But I'll have to give it a third spot, not the first spot, because it's still in the rebound. Yes, it's a good price action, it can continue to go higher, but overall daily interval structure right now is still showing me that it's a rebound. I need to see some extra pivot confirmation. So I'll have to give it a third spot. And the second spot will go for Uber. So Uber is where, because it's already in a breakout zone, and yes, there's a 200 days moving average. That's why it's after PayPal. It's a second place, but it's still good enough that it's still in the strengthful structure, better than Oracle right now. So, so Uber, though it's at a second place, I would give it, let's say, 65% bullish sentiment here, just because of that 200 days moving average still a little bit, being a pressure on this thing. Oracle is not that far away from Uber's sentiment, but it's 50-50%. I'll have to give it just based off of the price action. And PayPal, definitely a full-on, very strong bullish trend. So PayPal first, Uber second, and Oracle third, in my opinion, as for which is a better buy. So that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. There's a mystery discount also ongoing. Again, mystery discount will change anytime. So if you miss a good discount, you missed it. Okay, I can't do anything for that. No emails, please, in a way that, oh, I missed that discount. Can I have that again? Well, you had a time. You had time. Okay, well, anyways, guys, see you in the next videos. Okay, bye.